What I'm doing is I'm heating up the fuse box, trying to make it, because when it gets hot, when the engine gets hot, it don't want to start. And I think the problem is in the fuse box. So I'm trying to replicate the problem. What's up, my brother? It's to get hot enough. Cause I had a Malibu. It took me 2 months to figure this out, and that's what it was. And they put, there it is. Hey everybody, you see the okay? It went to not run. So that let me know that the fuse box is the problem. So when I go in, it should not start. Let's see. When I go in here, it should not start. See, it won't start.